today's video is gonna be tour / me making a muted rainbow of mom talking. So I got a new apron. I tied a little bow in the front. Love that. Okay.
Okay,
so,
direct it, put it top down so they can see what you're doing from the top down. So we're gonna stop this and start again and do a top down video, fast video, and talk through it.
Oh, what does that mean? So first I started off painting my 3 rainbows and my board the rainbows were going to go on, and the little dots and the little words I was going to put on the board. Then I went over and started hot gluing all the rainbows and words and dots onto the board. I messed up on the rainbows, so I had to scrape them all off and put them back on again. Then I put a rope on it, and it was